literally the word means little twist. The at the end is like a diminutive. So tatalach, it's little twists. What they are, when we roll them up like sort of like crescents, like crescent rolls. So we're gonna start with the dough. We're going to use a cup and a tablespoon of unsalted butter, 8 ounces, 8 ounces of cream cheese. Flour. Salt, how much salt? 1/4 teaspoon salt. I'm just gonna.
That's perfect. That's how I cook. Yep.
I'm adding 1/3 cup of sour cream. Pulse it. We're gonna get that not quite well incorporated, so we're gonna spread that around a little bit. All right, I'm gonna lay down some flour and dust the rolling pin. This to roughly, a round disc, thereabouts. It's never gonna be perfect. You're just gonna do that. A traditional Rugelach filling is going to be made with sugar, cinnamon, raisins, and nuts. So we're going to start with sugar. About a tablespoon of cinnamon. Half a cup of raisins. Some people like to use the golden raisins. For Rugelach, I like to use the black ones, the regular ones.
How are they different, golden and black? One sweet?
The golden are sweet. I'm using pecans. And we're going to mix it all up. And when it's ready, we're going to spread this on our dough. So another traditional filling is apricot. So for that, we're going to use about 12 out of 1 disc. All right, so since we started with the traditional filling, we're gonna just smear that over.
Smear, I love that word.
Okay, so we're gonna roll them.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna roll them. You start on the outside and you roll them in to the middle. So you see it's like a crescent. Okay, we're going to start at the outside and roll it into the center. And you tuck in that corner right there, just like that.
Yeah, it's all
This is most definitely a dessert. Okay, so the apricot version is, we're going to put some apricot preserves in. You can put them in the microwave, get them a little runny if you want to. You can add some sugar in. I think they're sweet enough as it is. And then we're going to add just some dried apricots. And I've really chopped these very finely. I'm going to mix it up. And when the dough's ready, we'll spread that off. So we're now going to put the apricot filling on this one. So again, we just put it on there. We're going to smear it all around. Hopefully most of it stays on the dough and not on the table. All right, so again, we start at the outside and we just roll it up. So we have the point, beautiful, and we just put it on the cookie tray.